wala akong iniisip sa isip. Hi everyone! Welcome to Bright Me channel, and for today's video, I'm going to share with you something. What is that something? Well, kakain lang naman ako. Ano ba yung kakainin ko? Curious lang ako dito. Actually, matagal ko na itong nakikita sa supermarket. So, parang hindi ko naman matiis na matitikman ko siya without sharing it with you guys. So, I decided to just buy one pack of this and share with you kung ano ang aking malalaman from this pack of ano ba ito? Ang tawag dito? Parang ano siya eh. Wala. I'm just curious about it. So let me share it with you. What I have here is this. I don't know. Parang hindi naman so special. And there's no sponsor, remember. I'm going to share with you kung ano ang lasa nito. So titikman natin ang
mochi!
I-share ko lang. Okay. So dahil meron siyang iba-ibang flavors, this is actually a rice cake. So, pag rice cake, para siyang tikoy, ganyan. Para siyang tikoy or butchi. Pero I don't know if it's the same ng butchi na natitikman ko sa iba. Like, sa tikoy. Yan. So, meron akong paboritong butchi sa isang fast food. I don't know if it's the same. Pero it doesn't have sesame seeds. So, medyo dun pa lang, malayo na. Kaya, paka-plain, parang plain tikoy lang to. Dahil nga rice cake. It has different colors. So, gusto na natin. Let's see what's inside. Again, it's mochi. It's rice cake. Wala tayong sponsor na i-share with you. Para lang malaman ninyo. I have here, inside there's pink, there is yellow. Oh, this is green. This is yellow. So, what else is the other color? There is the brown one with sesame seeds. Ayan. There's brown with sesame seeds. So, actually, ganito yung gusto ko. Yung may sesame seeds. Hindi ko lang alam kung pareho ng lasa. And, there is also another one which is color white. So, parang ito yung tikoy. Pero, tikoy ka. Anyway, so we will try the white one. So, we'll try the white one. Or the yellow one. I am expecting that since sabi nila, flavored siya, it has a flavor. So, technically, kung color yellow, I would think this is lemon flavor. So, let's see if it's lemon flavor. Kusog pa ako, kakakain ko lang. Pero, since curious niya ako, tagal ko tiniis, diba? Hindi ko nga kinakain kahit sabihin ko dahil busy ako, hindi ko pa siya magawa ng vlog. So, hindi ko siya kinain. Siguro mga 2 days ago. Tagal, no? Ayan. So, kainin na natin. Open na natin. And let's see kung ano yung lasa. Share ko sa inyo. Una, mahirap siyang buksan. So, ayan. Nabuksan ko na. So, it's so soft. As expected. It's very soft. It's like tikoy. It has color. And there's something inside, oh, so you will see. Ayan. Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung inside. Let's taste it. Well, there's no flavor. Wala siyang something special pagdating sa outer. Kasi soft lang siya, tapos matamis. Not so sweet, pero malambot, yes. Kasi nga tikoy siya. Tikoy type. And what's inside is, I guess, parang peanut. Oo. Parang peanut. Hindi siya munggo. Parang siyang peanut. Ayan. Okay naman. Pero as in-expect ko kasi there is a flavor. But there's none. Parang siyang flavor. This is supposed to be lemon flavor or mango flavor. Yan, kasi nga yellow, diba? Pero It doesn't have. So, since itatry pa natin yung iba, kakagad pa. Mahilig naman ako sa ganito. Pero, yun nga, medyo na ano lang sa expectations ko. Pero kailangan natin tikman yung iba. So, let's try the green one. So, I wish this is buko pandan flavor because that's one of my favorite. So, sana buko pandan flavor siya. Let's try. Yan. So, again, it's soft and it has something inside. Small lang yung laman sa loob. Ayan, nakikita ko. Oh, you can see it's like marshmallow, diba? The size is like marshmallow. And there is something inside that you can see, but it's just small. Okay, so let's taste it. Supposedly, since green, dapat buko pandan. Hindi ka buko pandan. Parehas lang sila. Parehas lang sila ng lasa. Walang bearing yung color. Pero, in fairness, masarap naman siya. Hindi na lang. Kasi, akala ko flavored talaga. But anyway. So, nakadalawang flavor na ako. Ibig sabihin, the rest of the doesn't have flavor din. Especially the white one. So, ang masasabi ko lang, it's soft. And, malasa naman siya. Not so sweet. Yung nasa loob, medyo sweet kasi para siyang peanut. Mango ba to? Peanut? Munggo ba to? Munggo ba to? Hindi. Parang munggo eh. Kasi pag peanut, iba yung lasa eh, di ba? Pero parang munggo. Ewan ko. Bili kayo, try mo. Balik ko lang kami no? Parang siyang munggo, di ba? Parang munggo. Try ko. Parang siyang munggo, nasa loob. Hindi siya peanut actually. Yung peanut kasi, you will taste it really like a peanut. This one doesn't have peanut. It's just like purely. So yun lang. Hindi ganun ka-special yung lasa, but it's okay. I can still recommend it to you guys, pero yun nga, don't expect na when they say flavor, there's no flavor. Okay, but it's okay. Pwede naman. Ayan, naubos ko na. Naubos ko na yung green. Want to try the yellow? Yellow. Ramen ko. Sanakin ko. Kasi, di ba may nabibili tayo ganito ng brown with sesame seeds? Nilagyan na lang nila lahat ng sesame seeds. Kasi, ang tikoy normally yan, ang butchi, ang tikoy, may sesame seeds. Mas masarap siya. Kasi mas malasa. Parang ito ay nasa 50 something. Oo, 50, 59. Parang ganun yung presyo niya. I'm not sure really. Pero mga ganun, 59 or almost 60 pesos per pack. And per pack is, sabi dito pala, best served when chilled. Hindi ko siya nilagay sa ref. Anyway, I still have more here. So, pwede ko naman siya i-try ilagay sa ref para malaman ko nga kung merong kaibahan yung lasa pag galing sa ref. So, later, I will put it. So, meron pa ako natitira dito na white, tapos meron pa ako na yellow, and the pink one, and the brown one. I don't have the, so we will try it later once na meron siya sa ref. And ang isang pack is, ilan ba yung laman nito? 10 pieces. 10 pieces per pack. So, parang pumapatak siya ng 6 pesos ang isa or 5.85, 90 ang isa. Kung 59 pesos. Depende kung saan nyo siya mabibili. So, yan. Nireview ko lang ito. Pero, up to you guys if you'd like to try it. Baka naman ako na lang ang hindi pa nakakatry. So, at least natikman ko na siya. Hindi na siya sa paningin ko. Hindi naka-curious. But, I can say it's okay. Yun nga lang. Again, it's not flavored. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. I hope to see you again on my next video. I don't know kung ano naman ang titikman ko sa susunod. So, I'll see and let you know. Mochi! Ang base dito ay hindi mochi. It's mochi. Mochi. Ganyan daw yan. Yung pronunciation. Okay. So, thank you again for watching, peeps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like and share. And tap the notification bell so you'll always be updated every time we upload a new video like this. And share it with your friends. Shout out to sa aking mga friends na patuloy na sumusuporta, like si Jocelyn Cabarlo, ayan, si Yoli, ayan, si Tata Pelayo, sa aking mga friends and followers na nandiyan at lagi sa marami pang iba. Yung Mother Socorri also watching my video and vlog every time na may bago. Of course, to my mom, thank you very much also. Tita Aida Valles and family, thank you so much for watching and for supporting me. I love you, mommy, I love you. And to all my friends who's always there to support you. Of course, I also have supporters from Korea. I'd like to thank Baboy Lee. Yeah, that's his YouTube channel. And Chinguya Lee. Thank you very much, dear sister. Yung mga madalas manood at laging sumusuporta. At sa marami pang iba na hindi ko na po nabanggit. Masyado silang marami dahil masyado silang madami, hindi ko na po maiisa-isa. Basta ang gusto ko lang po ay magpasalamat sa inyo sa sa suporta ninyo at sa panonood ng aking vlog. And hope hindi kayo masawa. Maraming salamat. Thank you and God bless everyone.